Welcome back, family. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove black background in CapCut PC desktop app. This process is super easy and it will really help you transform your video editing game. It's not complicated, it's super easy. Let's just get straight right to it. So first I'm going to bring in this fire video which I have. It has a sound, as you can see. It has a sound. I'm not playing it yet. I'm going to bring in this video which has the black background. So I'm just going to bring that in, and then for this video I'll click on it. I'll go to blend, and this is where I want to work the magic. So from blend, you see it's on default. You want to change that to skin. Okay, you want to change that to screen. So this is what you have now. Okay, so if I go back and put it back on default, this is the way it looks. You can't see the video in the background, right? But then once I change it to screen, this is what we have. It's super easy, not complicated, and let's play it from beginning so you can see it for yourself. Super easy. Now you've transformed your editing, you've removed the black background, and now you have a complete video without a black background, and you can use it in any form or way. You can even add shake animation to it if that's what you want to do. Let's add some quick shake animation to it using keyframes. Okay, let's do some quick animations. I love animations. They tend to give videos super edge. So let's do one here. Okay, let's make one here and just move it about. Okay, and let's move it forward again and just shake it about. All right, so we'll just do that, shake it again, and we can also reduce it, and we do that again, shake it about, reduce it. Okay, and now let's do the final one, which is going to come to the middle and then it's going to scale out. So let's do that like that. All right, so now if I go to the beginning and play it, you're going to be shocked what we are getting from this. It's going to be super cool effect. Watch it. Let's play it. Simple effects, and you've elevated your video editing skills. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching this tutorial, this course on how to remove black background in CapCut PC. I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.